Lydia, I've had a crush on you since the 3rd grade. That I'm the only one who knows how smart you really are. Uh-huh. And that once you're done pretending being a nitwit, you'll eventually go off and write some insane mathematical theorem that wins you the Nobel Prize.
Little ghost, you're listening.
It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. It's someone who makes you a better person. A soulmate is someone who you carry with you.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now
well, I think you look beautiful.
I want to be heard.
What the hell is a Stiles?
My wounding wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
And no matter what happens, you'll always love them. Nothing can ever change that.